We'll guide you through how to download and install FullBright in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. FullBright is really useful as it allows you to go and see in the dark. So whether you're caving, you're in the end, or it's just night, you can easily go and see and keep playing. To go and get started, go and quit Minecraft like so. Next, go and open up a web browser. So here we are. What you need to do is go and type in FullBright like so, and you can go and type in CurseForge as well. CurseForge is the site we can go and get it from, and here we are. So you can scroll down and read the info about it, but I'm going to guide you through this anyway. So you can go and click on Files, and we can then go and see the most recent one at the top here. So this is one I'm going to get. We can come to the right and press the three dots and click Download File. Now before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. I'll put a link down below in the description and the pinned comment if you're interested. At the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice. They've got so many great features like one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, so you can get 24/7 live chat assistance for your always online server. Ultra latency, basically meaning very minimal lag. So if you're interested, there'll be a link down below you can go and check out. To continue with the video, for FullBright to go and work, we also need Optifine. So what you can do is go and type it in. If you're wondering what it is, it's an optimization tool for Minecraft. So it's a good thing to have anyway. So we can come to the site optifine.net and we can then go to the top and click on downloads. We can go and get the most recent one. We can click download like so. You're going to get taken to an ad wall now. Just be aware the downloads here are going to be for the ad. To go and get Optifine, you need to press the skip button in the top right like so. You'll be brought here and we can then press download and it's downloading. So now what we need to do is go and install Optifine. So you can come out of your web browser and we need to go and open up a file explorer. I'll come straight to my downloads, click on downloads and here we are. Go and double click on Optifine and it should open. If it doesn't, this means you probably need to go and get Java. So you can go and open up your web browser and head to java.com. Here you can click download Java for desktops and you can click download Java. Download it and install it like any other application. Come back to Optifine, right click on it, hover over open with and click choose another app. Find Java and go and click on always like so. Now what you want to do is go and click on install and then the process will go and begin. If it still doesn't open, by the way, you can try doing something called a jar fix, which links jar and Java files together. Now we've gone and installed it. So we can come to the bottom, click on search and go and open up the Minecraft launcher. Go to the left of the play button and you want to make sure Optifine is selected and we can then click play. Here we are. Now what you want to do is go and click on options, then resource packs. Click on open pack folder. And what we need to do is go and add in FullBright. So come back to your downloads. And then what you can do is go and drag and drop it in like so. There it is. Now it should go and appear in the list here. As you can see, it goes and says Optifine is required. It says made for an older version of Minecraft, but don't worry, it'll work. Click on the arrow like so, and then press yes, and we can press done. It will now go and reload. You need to click on video settings, then click on quality, and for custom colors, make sure that it's on. What I've done is I've gone and set it to night, and as you can see, everything is still staying bright and it's not getting dark. And the same applies when I go and start mining as well.